guys, so we are going again to another trip, another adventure, and this time it's gonna be in Bohol, Siquijor and Dumaguete. Join me and my friends in our trip. Let's go. Accommodation in Siquijor. It's called Camping Siquijor, and we are going to stay in a tent. So yeah, it's a nice ambience. It's just there's the peaceful place. We are right in front of the beach, and we can just walk here. And as per Kuya, is that the best sunset is here, so later we're gonna see that. So now let's go inside our tent and let's see what's inside. So here is our tent. So come on. So you can see we have 6 beds. Supposedly we are 6, but now we are 5. We have a television, an electric fan, and an aircon over there, but I think
it is working.
Yeah, it's working. It's a nice one. It's a different kind of experience. So if you are going to Siquijor, you should definitely stay here in Camping Siquijor, because really the money is worth everything.
Just another day. I took a shower and I went on my way. I stopped there as usual, had a coffee and pie. When I turned to leave, I couldn't believe my eyes. Standing there, I didn't know what to say. Without one touch, we stood there.